Hello everyone and welcome to GigaBits. In this video, we're comparing Fidelity and Robinhood, two of the most popular investment platforms in 2025, to help you decide which one can actually make you more money. Let's begin with Fidelity. This platform has a long reputation for trust, transparency, and advanced research tools. It offers commission-free trades, access to mutual funds, ETFs, options, and bonds, and some of the best customer support in the industry. Fidelity doesn't rely on payment for order flow, meaning your trades are often executed at better prices, which can lead to slightly higher returns over time, especially for long-term investors. Now, let's talk about Robinhood. It's known for its clean interface, simplicity, and accessibility, perfect for beginners or mobile traders. You can trade stocks, crypto, and ETFs with no minimum deposit, and the app's gamified experience keeps things fun. However, Robinhood earns money from order flow, and its analytics tools are limited compared to Fidelity's professional suite. So which one should you pick? If you're looking for long-term growth and detailed analytics, go with Fidelity. If you prefer quick trades, a simple interface, and crypto access, Robinhood might be better for you. Just be careful not to overtrade. In short, Fidelity, smart investing for long-term wealth. Robinhood, fast, easy trading for short-term goals.